Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share healthy and delicious recipes that are super easy to make, and I show you exactly how easy. So I've been doing a bunch of Instapot recipes, so I hope that you're subscribed so you see them all. So far I've done a couple of chicken recipes, and today is going to be my Instapot vegetable beef stew. It is another really cold day here in California. We've had a bunch of rainy days, and so I'm really looking forward to this dish as a way to help me warm up. And I'm gonna show you exactly how. I promise it's so easy. The best thing about this recipe is that it's made in just about 1 hour. So you can forget about having to cook a beef stew on the stovetop for hours and having to wait around in the kitchen. We're gonna cook everything in the Instapot. We're gonna pop on the lid, and then I'm gonna go work on my blog, and then an hour from now, I'm gonna have a warming, nourishing beef stew. Now, one thing about this particular recipe, it's that it's low carb because I didn't put any potatoes in it, which is kind of traditional for beef stew. So if you're trying to do kind of a healthy diet sort of thing, then this will be perfect for you. So let's jump right in, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So first, what we're going to do is grab our 6-quart or 8-quart Instapot and press the saute button. Then we're going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You could use your favorite cooking oil. I just like to use avocado oil. Next, we're going to add about 1.5 pounds of beef that I've chopped into about 1-inch pieces. We're going to also add the chopped garlic and let the beef and the garlic saute for just a couple of minutes. Next, we'll add the onion so it can cook a little bit with the beef and the garlic. And we'll use a wooden spoon or a spatula to move the beef and the vegetables around, just to make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom of the Instapot, so that it all gets nicely cooked together. Next, we're going to cancel the saute function and add our dried herbs and vegetables. I like to use dried thyme, but you can use whatever you like. Then we'll also add our chopped zucchini, carrots, and chopped fennel. And we'll also add about 1 cup of low sodium beef broth, and we'll stir to combine. Next, we'll lock on the lid and we'll set the pressure cook function to 30 minutes, which is about half the time that we would need to cook on the stovetop. When the cooking time is up, we'll let the pressure come down naturally for about 10 minutes. Then we'll remove the lid and give the whole stew a nice stir. You can season this stew with salt and pepper, just to whatever your taste is, and then serve it nice and hot. And this dish will store really well in the refrigerator for up to about 4 days, or you can freeze it and have the leftovers at a later date. See, I told you it was so easy, and it's delicious, and it's hearty and nourishing, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. And be sure to subscribe so that you'll get notified of all my future videos. See you next time.